McDonald's in Søborg in Copenhagen is located at one of the busiest roundabouts in Copenhagen. They bought a Mil-tek 305 Baler for their cardboard in 2007 and became a model for 4 additional McDonald's restaurants on Zealand wanting to solve their limited space problem like this restaurant. With the Mil-tek Baler installed, we just put the cardboard straight into the baler. We've improved the working environment by keeping the area tidy and accessible, and thus removing the risk of someone tripping over a cardboard box. As manager Gita Grulev explains,
Grunden til, at vi har en Mil-tek-presser, det er fordi, førhen der havde vi simpelthen pap liggende hele vejen ned gennem.
The reason for buying a Mil-tek Baler was a need to keep the aisle free of cardboard. Before, the goods were unpacked right here, and the staff had to slalom in and out among the cardboard boxes lying around in the aisle to reach the back door.